परमेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरे प्रिये। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितनां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णव्यो नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे हरे
Hare
राम
Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, welcome dear devotees.
Hare Krishna,
For this,
Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji. I think Viraj Prabhu also has joined already. Hare Krishna, welcome Prabhu. Okay. So, yesterday we revised already 9th chapter, right? First 3 verses, then 4 to 10, then 11 to all we saw. Today is the synopsis of 10th chapter. What's the name of the 10th chapter?
Vibhuti Yoga. The opulence of
Vibhuti. Yes. What are the opulences generally we talk about?
Yes, all riches, all strength, all fame, all beauty, all renunciation, all knowledge, all famous.
Hari Bol. Aishwaryasya samagrascha yasasya Shri Vijay Jnana Vairagya Ityasya Ittam Bhaga Itinganam. So that is opulences. Bhagavan. Bhag means 6. Bhag. The meaning of bhag is 6. Van means what? A person one who possesses. Dhanavan. Jnanavan. Balavan. Correct. Haribol. Any other one? So one who possesses. One who possesses. So opulences. Bhagavan. The one who possesses all the opulences. Actually, how many opulences we talk about? Number of total in all. Nectar of devotion says.
6.
No, nectar of devotion.
Ma'am, what are opulences?
Opulences means vibhuti. Vibhuti means the
Aishwarya.
what? Aishwarya. Aishwaryam. Not only Aishwaryam is one of the opulence. The Bhagavan, he is known for all fame. They see, he annihilated so many asuras. Is it not? So he became very famous in Vrindavan. There is nobody else as equal to famous as him. Similarly, nobody has that much opulence or wealth. What is it? She Lakshmi. You know, everybody worships as Lakshmi to possess Lakshmi, Dhan. But that Lakshmi ke, Dhan ke Adhipati. Who is the Dhan ke Adhipati? Lakshmi Devi. Her Pati is Krishna. All the time he does the Charana Sparsha Seva for Krishna. So we can understand how Krishna, how much he should be wealthy. Right? You understand? Rich. Lakshmi is considered to be the richest. But that Lakshmi is what is that? Sarasevya Sampyamanam Brahma Samhita. They say Sahasra Lakshmi. Thousands of Lakshmis are serving to him. So Krishna has to be how much rich. So opulence means it is the vibhuti actually. Vibhuti means no one else can possess this much vibhuti, fame, wealth, strength, knowledge, renunciation, and strength. Okay, so that 6 opulences we generally talk about because those 6 opulences we also have. But he has, his opulences is infinite. We cannot measure it. Innumerable. But our opulences we can count how much wealth we have. One house, one car, like that we can count, isn't it? That is why he is known as the Bhagavan. Okay, so yes, 10.1 to 10.7, Krishna's position as the origin. What do you understand by origin? Origin. Source. Origin means source, right? So Krishna is the source of all sources. If we have like ocean is the source for water or rain, we may say. Rain is a source for water. But Krishna is the origin of rain also. If Krishna is not there, there is no sun and Moon. There is no heat and light. If heat and light is not there, how will the evaporation takes place? If the evaporation does not take place, how will the rain come? Otherwise, also when the material world was created, Krishna was the one to create the ocean. So he is known as the source of all sources. He is the father of Brahma. Yes, anybody has any doubt that he is the father of Brahma? Who is actually the Krishna? He Purusha avatar, three Purusha avatar. Who knows the Purusha avatar of Krishna? Three main Purusha avatar from whom everything emanated. The origin, creation took place. What are those?
Karno Dakshayana Vishnu,
Hmm.
Garbho Dakshayana Vishnu, and Shiro Dakshayana Vishnu.
Hari Bol. So Karno
Bol.
Dakshay Vishnu is the cause for creating all the universes. That when Karno Dakshay Vishnu breathes out, all the universes come. From his breath, we have seen that picture. All the bubbles which come become a universe. And when he breathes in, everything, all the universes goes to his belly and it stays there. Till the next, they all are waiting there in the who is that? Karnodakshaya Vishnu's belly for next creation. From Karnodakshaya Vishnu, after he created all the universes, who entered all the universes? Which Vishnu entered all universes?
Mahavishnu.
Krishna, then Balram, then we have Sankarshana, Aniruddha, Pradyumna, all six. Chaturvyuha, we call it as. Okay. Then from that Sankarshana comes Mahavishnu. From that Mahavishnu, again, Pradyumna, Aniruddha, Balram, Pradyumna, Aniruddha, and what is the last one? Sankarshana. These four Vishnu come, Chaturvyuha. So from that, like Sankarshan, Mahavishnu comes the Kshirodakshaya Vishnu, Karnodakshaya Vishnu, and Garbhodakshaya Vishnu. Mahavishnu is the second expansion from the second Chaturvyuga comes from Mahavishnu. It's a big topic. Okay, so everything emanates. Who is the origin of everything? Lord Krishna. From Krishna only, three Purusha avatara take place. Krishna expands Karnodakshaya Vishnu, Garbhodakshaya Vishnu. Why suddenly it is coming? Preparing live stream. We are live, right? Live is gone. Are we live?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
It is showing in my laptop preparing for live stream. Yes. Okay. So that the Karnodakshaya Vishnu creates all the universes. Garbhodakshaya Vishnu enters every universe. Because from his Garbha, the first living entity is going to come, no? So the Garbhodakshaya Vishnu enters each and every universe. Then from that Garbhodakshaya Vishnu's navel, the lotus stem comes. And from the lotus flower, Brahma comes. And from Brahma, all the living entities come. First Brahma created whom, Who was the first one whom created? Okay, well, I'll tell you in very short only. Then if you have any doubt, keep the doubt towards the end. Okay. And this is very, technical. So if we have some previous knowledge, some notion, we have to forget it. Okay, because many people write many things. We are learning from Bhagavatam what says, we are saying that. Okay. So now what happens, that Karnodakshaya Vishnu, after he creates all the universes, he glances the Mahatattva. And when he glances the Mahatattva gets agitated. What is it, Mahatattva? 24 elements that the guna. First he creates the Kala. Okay, Kala is time. After creating the time, all the 5 Pancha Mahabhuta, 5 Karmendriya, 5 Jnanendriya, 5 Tanmatraya. Tanmatraya means the characteristics of every what do you call that? Sense organs. That is the Jnanendriya. That is, eyes means vision comes. Nose means the smell comes. Like that. Okay. So all the 5. So Pancha Mahabhuta, Pancha Karmendriya, Pancha Jnanendriya, Pancha Tanmatra, 20. Man Buddhi Ahankar, 23. Prakriti, 24. All agitate. I mean, these all are in the Mahatattva. You imagine it's a big egg. Okay, in that egg, the Lord puts everything. And once he sees that egg, with his vision, that power, everything gets agitated. Till then it was sthira. Now it started spreading. Okay, against the Big Bang theory, it is not that. The Lord has created, Lord has put all the energy in that. Then from there, the material nature is created. So now here what happens, as Kshirodakshai Vishnu entered every universe, from his navel, Brahma came. So now the Brahma has to create living entities. Who told him to create? The Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna told. Now, O Brahma, I have created you. Your duty is to create living entities so that these living entities are able to enjoy this material world, the universes, whatever I have created. So now you take care. This knowledge, how did Krishna give it to Brahma? Tene Brahma Hridaya Adi Kavaye. He entered because when Brahma came from the lotus flower, he saw all four sides. So dark it was. He didn't understand. He got very afraid. Again, he started reverse journey. He started through the stem. He started going towards Lord Krishna's navel. And while going in that through the lotus stem, he heard the two words, tapa, tap, tap, tap. He understood. Oh, the person, whoever created me, he had told me to, he is telling me to do tapa. So he started doing years, thousands of years, he started and did the tapa, meditation. That time Krishna entered his heart and gave him this knowledge of Veda and gave him this knowledge of creation. All this knowledge was given to Brahma. That is why we should learn in parampara. Yesterday we were talking, anybody comes and says, I know everything, I know about the creation, everything. So I will write a book, you all listen. So that is not in parampara. Brahma, the Lord gave it to Brahma. Then Brahma gave it to whom all now we will see. Okay? Brahma actually, okay, we will go in detail only. It will take 55 minutes more. So the Brahma created first the Kumaras, Chatush Kumara. Who are Chatush Kumara? You know their name? Sanaka, you know? Sanakadi Kumaras. Sanaka, Sanatana, Sanandana, Sanat. Sanaka, Sanadana, Sanandana, Sanat. So 4 Kumaras. These Kumaras Brahma created with his mind, Manasaputra. Unlike the human birth that takes place, no. Because they all can. There are so many types of creation told in Bhagavatam. See, from the wood also, if a sage is there, from the wood also the sage can create living entities. Daru Brahman, we say, no? So we can create. That is Jagannath. He came. He lives in the log, wooden form. Is it not? Not only that, they meditate, they can create people. They only have to meditate. Like the fish has no, fish does not associate with anything. What does the fish do? Fish meditates upon its egg on the seashore and the fishes come out. It's only through meditation fish is created. Right? So like that, what do you call that creation takes place. Now the Sanat Kumaras, Brahma told them, why I have created, my dear sons, it is your duty to create living entities. These Kumaras said, sorry, my dear father, that is not our objective. We want to learn Vedas. They are jnanis, right? We want to learn Vedas. We want to learn everything about creation, everything. They were not initially devotees, okay? So they were jnanis only. So they themselves gave curse to them. We all want to remain always 5 years. More than that, we do not want to grow. They, the pictures you see, Sanat Kumaras, they will look so chubby, so short and very short. And they are Brahma's children. So how effulgence, how much they will have. So they ever remained like that only. They'll be roaming around without any dress only because, that kind of agitation has not taken place in their mind. So they told Brahma, sorry, Baba. They ran away from there in search of knowledge from, and ever 5 years old. They never grew up. That time Brahma got so annoyed means so much anger he got. So in his anger only, from his third eye, Rudra came, Shiva came. And he told Shiva, in that anger only, angry Putra he is, create. So like that, Shiva started created all the Preta, Bhuta, like that, because he came in anger, no? So he is in Tamoguna, because Brahma also was in anger, is known for Tamoguna. So all what he created was like the Bhuta, Preta, like that. Then Brahma got again so wild. He said, what kind of a creation you have created? And then he created, like that in English we say Adam and Eve. In Christianity they say Manu, man. So who is the first man? Manu. Then Brahma created Manu. Then Manu started creating progenies, Manu and Shatrubha. Manu and Shatrubha were the first initial creation took place from them. Okay, so now we are not going in detail more than this. Okay, the first verse we saw yesterday, right? I think. Did we see the first verse? Give me a minute. No. Okay, this is the one. Okay. Lord Krishna ended the last chapter with advice to Krishna, Arjuna telling what? Fix your mind in me, Manmana.
The screen is not shared.
Oh no. Okay, thank you, Mataji, for telling me. And this is the first slide, of course. Yes. Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. So, okay, I'll show you. Nothing has happened. Previous back. It's not good. It was okay, we'll go from here only. Lord Krishna at the end of last chapter, what did he say? Manmana bhava mad bhakto. Become my devotee, fix your mind at my lotus feet. Madhya jimam namaskuru. Worship me always, pay obeisances unto me. Everything he told once again. In the 6th chapter also, the last word was devotional service. Yoginam api sarvesham madgatenandra atmanaga shraddhavan bhajate yomam sameyukta tamomataha. So Krishna told, do loving devotional service to me. So how to do loving devotional service to anybody unless and until we know about them? So next chapter, Krishna started explaining about himself. I am the, what is it? Bhumi, Apo, Anal, Vayu, Kam, Mano, Buddhi, Yevacha, Rasogamapsu Kaunteya, Apareyam Itaswanya. All the three energies are me. Whatever you see in the material world, it is my energy. Daivi Gesha Gunamayi. The three material modes are my energy. Like that, he wanted to talk about himself. So then the loving devotional service can take place, because a person, they more hear about Lord's opulences, they start loving Krishna. So he said. And 7th chapter over 8th chapter, Arjuna wanted to know more about Adibhutam, Adiyajnam, etc., everything. And that ended with what? Again, the Lord's, that, what do you call that? More of Lord's opulences. Then Krishna started telling in the 9th chapter, Maya Dakshena Prakriti Suyate Sacharacharam. Everything is the whole entire prakriti. Nature is mine only. And slowly and gradually he started telling about Krishna's, that if you remember, first he told about his knowledge. The first 3 verses about his knowledge. Then he started telling about about his opulence. Then he started telling about the last few verses about the devotional service. Very nicely, why you have to do devotional service, how you have to do devotional service. Last verse he told, devotional service is nothing but surrender unto me, pay obeisances under my lotus feet. That is a devotional service, he told. Isn't it? So again, he is continuing here to Arjuna. If you have to do that Ananya Bhakti, that was he said in the 9th chapter. Na Anya, no other. Devata worship. If you worship Yanti Deva Vrita Devan, if you worship Pitrus, you will go to Pitraloka. If you worship Bhuta Preta, you will go to their Loka. So if you worship me, you will come to me. Then he told, okay, you are not able to do that. Do one thing. Whatever you want to do, you do. Yet karoshi, yadasnasi, yet jugoshi tadatsiyet, yet tapasyasi kaunteya. everything what you do. Tat kuruswa madhu arpanam. Submit the results under my lotus feet. That is all I want, he said. So he is explaining the bhakti from the highest to the lowest. Krishna explained this is a ananya bhakti. Don't worship any other devata, worship me. Na anya. Okay? And even if you try to worship, that is avidhi purvakam. It's actually worshipping me only, but you are doing it in a wrong way. This is what Krishna told. Now he is continuing again about his opulences. Why? So that a jiva is with conviction. A jiva is able to understand. Actually speaking, like, okay, the first verse comes, then I will tell that. Wait for the first verse. So chapter 10 now focus on the descriptions of again Krishna's opulences. But by hearing what will happen? The more we hear, what will happen? Devotional service will increase. The love for Krishna will increase. So if you remember in 7.2, Krishna told Arjuna, right? You listen to me. What did he say? Jnanam tegam cha vijnanam. First verse Krishna told tachrunu. Maya sakta manaf partha yogam injanmadashaya asamchayam tam samagramam yatagnyasasi tachrunu. Listen to me, he said. What Arjuna had to listen? Second verse he told, see, jnanam tegam sa vijnanam. The knowledge what I am going to give you is the vijnanam, realized knowledge, transcendental knowledge. So by hearing this, there is nothing left to hear. If you all have the book, you see, the translation will say 7.2. If you listen to this knowledge, nothing more is left to be known. This he told in the 7th chapter. Then immediately in the 9th chapter, again he told, what did he say? Idam tute guhyam, idam tute guhyam. See, now I am telling you the more secret knowledge. And this more secret knowledge will help you to do more devotional service. So, first he said more than this, nothing. Then he, in the second verse of 9th chapter, he told the adjective of this knowledge. You remember? Rajavidya, Rajaguhyam, Pavitram, Uttamam, Pratyakshavagaman Dharmyam, directly perceived. All those he again said about this knowledge only. And again in the 10th chapter, what he is saying, oh Arjuna, listen to me. Now I am going to tell something much better. So like standard-wise he is setting. First he told there is nothing else to be listened, so listen carefully. Then he motivated him. So, like, no, what I'm going to now tell you is the most secret knowledge. So listen to me. And today again he is saying in the first verse, what is he saying? See, what I'm going to tell you now is much more important than what I have already told you. This is what he's going to tell. Okay, so 1 to 7, his position, he is the source of all sources. And 8 to 11 are very important shlokas, chatushloki, 4 shloka which explains the whole Bhagavad Gita. Then 12 to 42, all his opulences. I am this, I am this, I am this, I am the, out of Vedas, 4 Vedas are there, I am the Samaveda, that's the best. So like that he is telling about him. Okay, so Krishna's position, once again we will see. There is a verse, the verse has not yet come. Probably verse is not given only. Okay. So all of you have the book, then you read the book. Bhuyeva mahabhago shrunu me paramam vachaha. Shrunu me, you see. Again, my dear friend, you listen to me. Again, you hear. My dear friend, mighty armed Arjuna, listen again. Shrunu me. Then paramam vachaha. I am going to tell you that supreme word. Paramam. Paramam is the transcendental, supreme, highest degree. Now, yategam priyamanaya vakshyami hitakamyaya. What I am going to, the knowledge which I am going to impart you will benefit you and it will give you the greatest joy. 9th chapter also, susukam kartum avyayam, he said. That will give you happiness, he said. Now here he is saying the happiest, more degree wise, greatest joy. All of you know this story very, very well, right? We have discussed this many times. So that means if we are in a mood to listen, what does the story tell? We have to be more humble. We have to be in association. We have to be more humble to hear. People who think, I know everything, they will never listen to people who are lower than them. They will listen. If somebody is so world famous, especially nowadays, no, people listen to Westerners. That is why Srila Prabhupada's master, spiritual master told, oh, Abhay, you have been working for 40 years in India for to spread Krishna consciousness. You are not able to do. Go to Western country. There you go and spread. Everybody will nicely listen. They will become Krishna consciousness. Yoga also comes from Western, we listen. The same things, whatever is given in Bhagavad Gita, many Westerners have written book. And those copies are sold in millions and billions and trillions. To sell Bhagavad Gita, we have to literally put so many bookshops and we have to plead everybody, buy Bhagavad Gita, buy Bhagavad Gita. But the same knowledge. Few days before, somebody, sent me it's like a message, YouTube type, that what you call flyer. Immediately I replied them only. Okay, this you are saying some foreigner has told, you go to Bhagavad Gita, chapter number this, verse number this, read this, Lord Krishna has told so many years before this. And Bhagavad Gita, we are not interested in reading at all. See, one doctor, I think I might have shared it before. One conference was going on for doctors' conference and about the sugar, that is a diabetic. So there, this what did one, they discussed and they gave so many references. One doctor got up and told her, see, all these things, what you are telling, to be, precaution for diabetics. Yuktagara viharasya, yukta chetasya karmasu, yukta swapnavabodhasya, yoga karmasu kaushalam. The greatest kaushala means we all know, the most important or the strongest or the most worshipable thing. Okay, what is it? Yukta ahara, regulated eating, not eating everything every 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Yukta ahara, regulated eating. Yukta chetasya, endeavor only how much we can do. Endeavor, yukta chetasya. Yukta swapnava bodhasya. Sleep also should be regulated. On time we have to sleep. Before in Brahma Muhurta, before the sun rays, we have to wake up. After the sun comes on the sky, if we wake up, till then, when the sky is up and we are on bed, it leads to a lot of disease. All the disease we will attract because the sun is there and we are not in the sunlight. That is why people used to tell, do Surya Puja. Surya Puja has to be done in the early morning rising sun, not after the sun has come above our head. Is it not? So he told that only if our food is regulated, if our work is regulated, if our sleep is regulated, that's 6 hours. Early to bed, early to rise. Gone are those days. We don't do. So that is what, when Krishna is telling all this knowledge I am giving you, listen, Arjuna. How many attend these classes? How many listen to Krishna? Very few. The same thing, if a big workshop is conducted, 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees, ticket will be sold in no time and the hall is full, they say. So Krishna has to even plead. It's not pleading. He's going on telling Arjuna, here means what? There is a tendency those time only that people don't listen. That is the tendency. So that's it. That picture shows humbleness. Arjuna came later. He sat down near Krishna. What did he get? He got Krishna in his Kurukshetra war. Duryodhana came first. He sat near Krishna. There was no humility. He sat near Krishna. What did he get? Krishna's Akshayonis. Krishna told, no, I have Akshayonis. Anyone of you can take. On the other side, I will stand still. What? I will not touch the weapon. Like that Krishna told, right? But you all know, Arjuna asked for Krishna only. Duryodhana was scolding him. He is such a fool. So many Akshayonis Krishna is telling for the war, what Krishna will do without touching the weapon only. Like that he is thinking that Arjuna is a fool. Like that. Seriously, he thought like that. He did not know. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna, Yatra Partho Dhanurdhara. What's the meaning? Where Krishna is there, where Arjuna is there the victory is there. The last verse of Bhagavad Gita. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna, Yatra Partha is Arjuna. Tatra Shrir Vijayi Bhurtir Bhava. That place, the victory will automatically come, looking for them. So Duryodhana did not know. Why? Duryodhana thought I know everything. What is the need for me to learn? What is the need for me to hear? What is the need for me to understand Bhagavad Gita? That is why he did not have. Why did Krishna select Arjuna to tell Bhagavad Gita? Why? Why Arjuna was selected? Hare Krishna, fast. Number one.
He is non-envious and he is a friend, Saka Cheti,
Great devotee.
Hari
and
Bo.
he is sinless.
Anaga, disciple. He told Karpanya Tosho, Irma Shishyasteham.
And he surrenders.
Shishyasteham Shadi Mam Tvam Prapannam. Correct, he surrendered. Accepted Krishna as his guru. So always we have to be at the lotus feet of Guru. That was a picture it was showing. If he surrendered to the lotus feet of Guru, he will 100% take us to. And taking that Guru Ashraya is not that easy. We have to listen to Guru. The Guru will give us order. Okay, we have to listen to that. So it's very, very important. Name Vidu Suragana, who is there? Who all are there today? A, B, C, D. Let me check.
It's me, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji, go ahead.
Name Vidu Suragana Prabhavam na Maharshaya Aham Adiri Devanam Mahirshanam cha Sarvashaha.
Very well.
Neither the hosts of demigods nor the great sages know my origin. For in every respect I am the source of the demigods and the sages.
Hare Krishna. Yeah, 1 second, Mataji. So Krishna is the cause of all causes we saw already. So Devatas come from Krishna. Even the first person Brahma came from Krishna. After that, the Chatush Kumaras. After that, Brahma created from the Manasa Putra. That is Narada. Then Veda Vyasa, so many. All these people are created. I mean, they came from Brahma. But they did not give birth, as again it's said, Manasa Putras. After that, he started creating the Prajapatis. Prajapatis he created, and then the Manu came. So many Atri sages, that 8 Rudras, 11 Vasus, that our Vamshidhar Prabhu told, no, he is one of the Vasus. So 11 Vasus, like that he started creating. 7 Rishi, Satta Rishi. Okay, after that, everybody refused to create progeny. And he was getting scolding from Krishna, because Krishna created Brahma for taking care of the creation only. And these people are not listening to Brahma. And now he gave all the knowledge to Brahma. Now, but they all became knowledgeable already by themselves, all these putras. There was no need for our Brahma to give them. Right? But sometimes it comes by heredity, we say, no? They all. But everybody refused to create creation. Then finally Brahma created Manu and Shatrupa. They started. So that is what it's saying. You are the sources of all the sages. You are the sources of all demigods. Okay, Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji, 10.3.
He who knows me as the unborn, as the beginless, as the supreme lord of all world, he undeluded among men, is freed from all sins. Shall I read the shloka, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji, read the shloka from the book.
Yo mamajam anadim cha veti loka maheshwaram asammoda sat matteshu sarva papai pramuchyate. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. That is what the word unborn, Ajam. Again, Ajam came. Why? Because he knows me as the unborn and in the beginning. Krishna is not born. He expands. Expands means he takes avatar. He incarnates. He appears. Krishna appeared in the jail. And see, those days, this surrogate, all those things were there, The first, who is that, Balram, was in Devaki's womb only. Then he was transplanted from Devaki's womb to whose womb? Balram's mother. Who is Balram's mother?
Rohini.
Rohini, yes. He was transplanted there. You all may ask, why all these things? Balram, no, he's in the Shantarasa. He doesn't take chance at all. Balram comes before Krishna to make the place pure. So when Krishna was about to Krishna was about to come from the womb of Devaki, first he entered Devaki's womb to clear that place, to purify that place. Later he went. Okay, why? Because again Krishna will be immediately transported. Krishna will be transported to Gokul. So he wanted to Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Okay. So that is what here. The one who knows me, they know me as the beginningless and endless. There is no beginning for me, there is no end for me. So these are our Lord's opulences. Undiluted among men only will be freed from. So one who knows my origin does not get bewildered by all these things. They only will be able to free themselves. See another third verse, very important verse. To see, listen to me, you can free yourself from all three kinds of miseries. Krishna is saying. Okay, Hare Krishna. Yes, next Loknath Prabhu. I'll read the verse, you read the translation. Okay, 1 minute. Buddhi Jnanam Asammoham. Krishna is giving the qualities. Buddhi, intelligence. Jnanam. And what is the difference between Buddhi and Jnanam?
बुद्धि एवं बुद्धि परम बुद्धवा समस्त
Hari Bol. Wow, Hare Krishna.
Krishna.
Realized knowledge, intelligence. Buddhi is intelligence. That is higher than the Jnanam. Jnanam means anything what we can, learn. That is, but the realized knowledge which is put into practice, we understand. That is. Then asammogam, kshama satyam damatsamam, sukham dukkam bhavo bhavo, bhayam cha bhayameva cha, ahimsa samata tushti, tapodanam yasho yashaga, bhavanti bhava bhutanam, matta eva pratak vidugo. All of you have book, right? Okay, leave it. I will share here. What is more important to... Yes. See here, library, Krishna. If you are able to see my screen, 10th chapter, opulences, advanced view, we need verse, text and synonyms also. This is the third verse, okay, correct? See now here, all of you. It will be very easy for you to understand. Yeah. Yomam, Ajam Anadim Cham, finish. Yeah. One quality Krishna is giving. Buddhi here. Buddhi, intelligence. Jnanam, knowledge. Asammoham, freedom from doubt. That is why Shraddha we say. Shraddha in Bhakti is very, very important. Kshama, forgiveness. One person has to have all these qualities are coming from Krishna. That's why it is given here. Why Krishna is giving this? See, I am the origin of everything. I am the origin of all the, what do you call that? Panchamahabhuta. The air, space, all those things. He told already in the 7th chapter, right? Now here he is telling about the gunas. What are all the, what do you call them? It is actually more than guna. Abhideya, process. See what yesterday I told, no, there is a process to reach the Lord. So the process is what? Possessing all these qualities is known as the process of reaching Lord. But we lack all these things, no? That is why to accumulate. How we can accumulate? In the previous verse, it was told association. Only through the association, we can attain all these gunas. But these gunas are extremely important for reaching Krishna. So this is the abhideya, process, characteristics. Okay? Satyam, truthfulness. Dhamma is sense control. Very important. Dhamma is, it will come in the 14th chapter also, so learn here itself. Kshama. Kshamaha is control of that. Mind. Sukham, happiness. Dukkham, distress. Bhava, birth. Abhava, death. Okay, that's why we say between the B and D, there is one C, choice is there, we say, no? Bhayam, abhayam. Fear is all about what? Future. When who thinks of the future a lot, they will always live in future. They will always live in fear. Too much of thinking of future is not good. We will never live our life. All the time we will be in fear only. So to become fearlessness, we have to understand Krishna. Only then we will become fearless. Death, everyone has to see. Ayurgarati Vaipum Sam. Ayurgarati Vaipum Sam. Every sunrise reduces our lifespan. Why? Udyanastam chayanasau tasmate yakshanadita uttama shloka vartaya. So, a person who knows that every sunset and sunrise reduces our lifespan. For them, yakshana, every single moment, they will remember the uttama shloka vartaya. Who is uttama shloka? Bhagavan. Shri Krishna. Another name for it, Bhagavan is uttama shloka. So every chana, tasyarte yakshanatita. Single minute they won't waste. They will always be remembering the Lord. They are not afraid. They know every day morning so many people die. Every day evening so many people die. My death is also standing right in front of me. It's okay. I am not. I am eternal. I am not this body. I am the soul. My soul is eternal. I will reach Goloka. Lord will give me the memory. Sarvasya chagam gridisa nivishto mattaga smritir jnanam apoganam cha. When my soul leaves the body, the Lord will give me the memory. Why? Whole life was my preparation. Death is my examination. My question paper is out. Krishna will ask me, what do you remember? I will tell Krishna, I remember you. Then Krishna will take me. Yam yam vapi smarana bhavam tyajatyante kalaivaram tam tamevanti kaunteya tatas tat bhava bhavitaka. Whatever we remember at the time of soul leaving our body, we will get that. So that person is not at all fearful. He is free from fear. Okay. Ahimsa. It's actually not the ahimsa. That ahimsa. Ahimsa, I will show you down what ahimsa. See, we don't torture others. That is ahimsa. We say no, no. Ahimsa has got a beautiful meaning. Tushti. Tushti is very, very important. Whatever is in my quota, I have got it. We should never try to intrude in others' property. Whatever we get is insufficient. How much more I will get, dil mange more. Right? Keep on desiring. That is Rajoguna. We want nothing satisfies us. What is the use of that property? What are we going to take? Are we going to take something with us when we go? Alexander told, keep my both the hands out. Another beautiful verse is there. I'll give you hint. Tell me who knows. Ishopanishad. Who knows? First verse. ईशावस्यम् इदं सर्वं यत्किञ्च जगत्यां जगत् तेन त्यक्तेन भुञ्जीता मा गृदा कस्य विद्धनम्. ईशावस्यम् idam sarvam. Everything belongs to the Lord. What is my property? Tena tektena bunjita magrida kasya. What is in my what you call sukriti, or what is in my quota? You understand what is in my quota? What is written in my fate? What is in my quota, the Lord will anyway give. See, like anybody asks for any dukkha, sorrow, pain, distress, nobody. It automatically comes, no. Same way what sukha in my quota will automatically come to me. I don't have to endeavor for that. So similarly, whatever is in my quota, that will automatically come. But endeavoring like as, you remember that PPT, that the donkey is carrying a big load behind. Anna, we work like mad, 3 shift. I have also done it many times, take tuition also here, this also you teach, that also you teach, like that. What was the use? What am I going to take? Nothing. Everything I have to leave back and go, no? What is the use of doing that kind of endeavor? That's why Srila Rupa Goswami says, no. You remember, you might have heard this. First, that bhakti vinashyati, it will bring our bhakti down. What is it? Atyahara, eating more than what is needed. Prayasascha, working more, endeavoring more than what is required. Okay, atyahara prayasascha, prajalpo, talking more. Whatever you talk other than Krishna is a prajalpa. Atyagara prayasasya prajalpo niyamagrahaha. Following the niyam like anything. I was going out, I saw one black cat and you didn't go at all. You came home back. I gave food today, that crow, no, it did not see the eastern side and it did not see east. It was seeing south and ate that whatever I offered. What will happen to me? All these things are over endeavoring. Nothing is required. Okay, let us go. So satisfaction is what? What is in my quota, the Lord will anyway give me. So we should be satisfied. Tapa, penance is very important. Without tapa, we can't come into bhakti at all. Early morning, getting up, chanting, going for Mangalarti, having devotees association, very, very important. Right? We don't get it that easily. These days, where you go miles away, also you don't get devotees. Then danam, tapam, all these things we have already told. Yajna, dana, tapa. Three things, okay? Yasha. Just now Prabhuji asked, what is opulence? How famous Krishna is. Nobody has to explain his fame to anybody. We know he has created everything. He will annihilate everything. This moment I am there, next moment what? Everything is Krishna. He is so famous. But to establish our fame, how much we have to work? Ayashaha. Ayashaha is that opposite to that. Yash and Ayash. Birth and death. Happiness and distress. So that is Yashashaya. Fame and infamy. Bhavati. Bhavati Bhava. That means whatever comes about. Whatever nurtures all these qualities. Bhavati Bhutana. It all comes from me, Krishna says. Yes. Loknath Prabhu, read from here only.
Intelligence, knowledge, freedom from doubt and delusion, forgiveness, truthfulness, control of the senses, control of the mind, happiness and distress, birth and death, fear and fearlessness, non-violence, equanimity, satisfaction, austerity, charity, fame and infamy. All these various qualities of living beings are created by me alone.
Hare Krishna. All we have explained. I told you that Ahimsa, I will show you, I said, right? Because it's beautiful. Read, Prabhu. Ahimsa.
Ahimsa, non-violence means that one should not do anything which will put in others into misery and confusion. Materials activities that are promised by so many politicians, sociologists, philanthropists, etc., do not produce very good results because
Okay,
the
that you leave,
politicians.
Prabhu. So it's not giving even stress to others. Next one. Ahimsa
Ahimsa means
means?
that people should be trained in such a way that the full utilization of human body can be achieved. The human body is meant for spiritual realization, so any movement or any commission which do not further that aim commit violence on the human body, that which further the furthers and further spiritual happiness of the people in general is called non-violence.
See, non-violence, meaning you saw spiritual happiness, if it does not happen in our neighbor, kith and kin who are near us, if we don't try to bring spiritual happiness in them, that is also ahimsa. Nice meaning, no, this is. So if you don't try, Krishna Upadesh. Whomsoever you see on the road, anywhere, tell them Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. That is non-violence. Okay, Hare Krishna. Nice verse this is. So we will go back to our PPT. Hare Krishna. Yes. Now 4.5 slideshow. Yes, Prabhu. Who is next? Ritvika Mataji is there?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, okay. I will read. Okay, this is the next one. No? So all those qualities only given here. You can see the meaning, everything is given here. Truthfulness, Satyam, same thing. Whatever we saw the meanings, no? Same thing these are. You can take screenshot if you want. Then after that, I'll go to the next. Yeah, take screenshot. Hare Krishna. The next verse we will go. Hare Krishna. Yes. It got stuck or what? My next is, yes. Tushti, here also the same qualities are coming. Tushti is satisfaction and birth, bhava bhava, birth and death. Then fearlessness and fear, non-violence, ahimsa, equanimity. Who can anyone of you tell me any one verse for equanimity? Krishna is telling from chapter 2. Equanimity, be equal. What is it? Remember? Samadukka sukhe sukha dukkha same kritva labha labha jaya jaya. You remember? So that is sukham dukkam, a person who is equal in both, a person who is equal in happiness and distress. Yes, yes, Prabhu, read, tell.
Equipoise in success or failure.
Jaya jaya, victory and defeat, sukha and dukkha. Correct. Yes. Samekritva. Correct, Prabhu. So that is equanimity. So Krishna says, if you want real happiness, you be equanimity, equal to anything. See, we can't, it's cold, we say, can we do anything over that? Why are we wasting our time? Instead, sit and chant. Oh, it is so hard. Power is not there. People make everybody mad at home, if the power is not there. And what is the use? By shouting, by saying all these things will be, when it has to come, it will come. Nothing can be done. Even nowadays, people say, so nothing like that. You call the electricity, it will, people, it will come. Even if it comes, something else will happen only in our house. If it doesn't have to come. If Krishna's desire is that. Yeah, what is that? There is one beautiful saying, no? Rake Krishna, Mare Krishna, Rake. If Krishna wants to kill somebody, no one can protect. If Krishna wants to protect somebody, no one can kill. Is it not? So nothing can be. We all think, I'm the one, I will do it, but sorry to say. Yes, we have reached now. Next, easily. We are approaching to Chaturshloki. Yes, Maharshiya Sattapurve Chatvaro Manavastata Madbhava Manasa Jata Yesham Loka Imam Prajaka. Ritvika Mataji, read the translation.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
10.6 The 7 great sages, and before them the 4 other great sages, and the Manus, progenitors of mankind, are born out of my mind, and all creators in these planets descend from them. Hare
So
Krishna,
ultimately, Hare Krishna, thank you, Mataji. See, Krishna created Brahma, Brahma created all these people, from them we all come. So obviously, source, if you go, sources of sources. That's why Krishna says, I am the sources of all sources. Yes. Read, Mataji.
The opulence of the Absolute. Krishna is the source of all.
Param, Pratap, Pitamaga and Parapritamaga, Pitamaga is Brahma. Pitamaga is a grandfather. Great grandfather is Prapitamaga. Okay?
Okay, Mataji.
Read, Mataji. 25 part.
25 patriarchs of the living entities, 4 Kumaras, Sanaka, Sananda, Sanatana, Sanat Kumara, 7 sages,
Kashyapa.
Kashyapa, Atri, Vashistha, Vishwamitra, Gautama, Jamadangi,
Jamadagni and Bharadwaj.
Jamadagni, Bharadwaj.
So these all are almost all Gotras, right? 7 rishis, 7 Gotras. There are many more also, like Vadula and many more, but still these are the main rishis after whom the, Gotras come. Yes, Mataji, 14 Manus. Swayambhuva Manu.
14 Manus, Swambhuva,
Swacheshicha.
Shisha, Uttama, Tamasha, Raivata, Chakshusha,
Vaivasvata. We are in Vaivasvata Manu's age. 71 Manus. In Brahma's time, we have learnt in chapter 4, no? Brahma's one day is equal to 4,32,000 multiply 10. All Chaturyuga put together multiply 1,000. That is one kalpa. Kalpa means 12 hours. That is this. In that kalpa, in his lifetime, there are 71 Manus who come. So we are living in our this Kali. I mean, in this period, Brahma has passed already 50 years. His 51st year is running. So in that one, Vaivasvata is the Manu. So these all are you can take a screenshot. These all are, like Daksha, Brahma, Dharma, Rudra, Deva, and Indra are the Savarnis. Okay? Yes. Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji. Read. Now, who is next? Okay, Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. Hari Bol. Viraj Prabhu, you can read this translation. Shloka.
Hare Krishna, ma'am.
Hare Krishna.
10.7 Tad Vibhutam Yogam Ka Mambo
Yogam Cha. CA is Cha. K is Ka. Yogam sa.
Mama yo veti
Tatvataha.
tatvataha so vikalpena yogena yuj yate narta nartra samsya.
Samshayaha. Samshaya means doubt. Na atra asamshayaha. Without any doubt. Read the translation, Prabhu.
He who knows is the truth, this glory and power of mind engages in unalloyed devotional service of this. There is no doubt.
Hare Krishna. Yeah, there is no doubt. Asamshayaha. Where did we learn asamshayaha before this?
Asamshaya Mahabhavo.
Hari Bol. Asamshaya Mahabhago 6.3435. Bhagavanu Vacha. One more verse. Recently we learnt Mataji hint. Just now we learnt 1 or 2 chapters before. You will come to me without doubt. O Arjuna, you will come to me without doubt. When we remember Krishna at the time of soul leaving the body.
Yes, Mataji. I think 5 chapter.
Antakale cha 8.5. Hari bol. Yes. Antakale cha mameva smaranamyukta kalivaram. Ye prayatisya madbhava natya tatsya asamshayaga. Okay. So Krishna is again saying, you will come to me without any doubt. See here, that unalloyed word has come. What is another word for unalloyed? Bhakti should be unalloyed.
Ahaituki and Apriyatihata.
Hari bol. Hare Krishna. So here, which word tells unalloyed? What is the word? So vikalpena, no vikalpa. That means no other desire. Unalloyed bhakti. Okay. So vikalpena, unalloyed devotional service. Okay. So understand. Ananya and ahaituki and sovikalpena. These all are unalloyed. Chatishloki is starting. So we'll start tomorrow only. And tomorrow, one day, it will take for 4 shlokas. Whole Bhagavad Gita, no. So don't miss tomorrow. Now you understand Krishna has given all these gunas, which he will repeat in 13th chapter also, 13.8 to 12. He will repeat Amanitvam, Adambitvam, Ahimsa, Kshanti, Arjavam, Acharya Upasanam, Shaucham, Satyam, Atma Vinigraha, self control. He will repeat. Same thing he will repeat in the 16th chapter also. Dambodharpo Vimanascha, Krodha Parushyam Evacha. There he gives the Asura Gunas and there he gives the Devata Gunas. So Krishna is giving so much importance to these gunas. Why? These gunas are there, following these gunas are the process through which we can cross over this material nature. Now we know Krishna and our relation. Sambandha he has given a lot in 7th and 9th chapter. What is the relation between? Now also after that 14th to 42, he will give the relation only. What is the relation in the stones? What is his relation in the water bodies? What is his relation in the ritus? Everything he will tell, everything is he only. But after knowing everything also, what is prohibiting us from surrendering to him? I don't know. We are not able to. Only Maya. Just because of Maya. Isn't it? Maya is so strong. Why? Why Maya is so strong? Hare Krishna, why are we caught in the Maya? Why we know very well. There's nothing other than bhakti. I have to do bhakti. Only God can save me. This everyone would have heard this, right? Nobody else, even doctors cannot save us. Only God can save. But still, why are we not able to do bhakti? You all know the answer very well. Why
Because
Maya?
of Maya Devi,
Why she is so strong? Why she is pulling us down?
it's Kali Yuga.
No. Kali Yuga has got another characteristics. Pranalpa Yuga, Yuga Sabhyakha. Short span of life. Kalavasmin Yuge Janaga. Fighting with everybody is a Kali Yuga guna. So you might have heard, no, at home also, how many times we might be fighting. That is because of Kali Yuga, effect of Kali Yuga. Kalavasmin Yuge Janaga. Manda Sumanda Matayo, our dull-headed we all are. Because of Kali Yuga. No, that is different. One more. Maya is very strong. Why? You all know. Okay, I give you a hint. 7th chapter. 7th chapter. Who is Maya? Who is
when
Maya?
that Krishna says that when the person come to earth, he is having the same qualities of God, but Maya, uh, like
Okay, correct. Very correct. But who is Maya?
Our mind, material illusion.
Maya is the servant of Krishna.
Hari Bol, servant of Krishna. Where do we learn that? Where did we learn? One of the energies of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Krishna's energy, Maya. Daivigesha Gunamayi, Mama Maya Duratyaya. That is why this Maya is very difficult to overcome, because she is my energy. Then how can we overcome that? There's no other way. Then Kavo Piva Ashkaro, why are we doing all these things? Maya Yetan Tarandite, when Mameveye Prapatyante, you come and surrender unto me. Maya Yetan Tarandite, I will help you to cross this ocean. Isn't it? I think 7.13, you remember? Yes, Hare Krishna. That is why we are not able to overcome the Maya. Maya is stronger than anything else, because she is Lord's servant, Lord's exterior energy. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. Hare Krishna, dear devotees. Svancha kalpatarupisa kalpasindhi bhaivacha. Patitanam pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Anantagodi Vaishnavindi ki jai. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Srimad Bhagavad Gita ki jai. All glories to assembled devotees. Hare Krishna. All glories to assembled devotees. Hare Krishna. All glories to Guru and Gauranga. Hari Hari Bol. Now I want to show you all one thing. Yesterday Viraj Prabhu asked, right? So I'm just showing you. 1 second you give me. That one small, it's Hare Krishna. Just you all tell me whether you are able to see this one, okay? Why it is roaming around, I don't know. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Are all of you able to see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh no, I think not this one. 1 second, not this one. Krishna, you asked yesterday, no? That is what here. Yes, see this. Oh, I'm not able to expand this. I'm not able to expand this. I'll put it in word. Then you can read it. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. My network, you might have seen me changing my original place today. Dongle is not working. Hare Krishna. Yes. Saw that? Are you able to see this now?
Yes,
Krishna's
ma'am.
departure from this world. Yesterday you asked it, right? So, home. Let me increase the font size. Yes, read. Yes, Viraj Prabhu, you only read. Krishna's departure from the world.
Yeah. Krishna's departure from the world is believed to occur in Balka near Somnath in Gujarat, India. After being struck by an arrow shot by a hunter named Jara. This event is traditionally associated with the beginning of Kali Yuga. Krishna was meditating under a tree with Jara when Jara, mistaking his foot for a deer, shot him with an arrow. Krishna, in his divine nature, did not seek to prevent the arrow, and after Jara realized his mistake and sought forgiveness, Krishna reassured him that it was part of divine plan. Krishna then left his mortal body and ascended to his celestial abode, Goloka.
Got it, Prabhu?
Yes,
Yes?
ma'am.
Okay, that's what we were saying, that the temple is there also in that